Good morning, my dudes. I thought since it's a nice day today and I've had a few more things done to my car, I might as well make a video since I'm not working till tonight. It is very frosty. It's 11:15. Or 10:30. I'm gonna make sure that I get to Mackie's quick enough because I can't do without a flat white in a day. That's why my nickname is Mr. Flat White. Credit to Push Iron and Speedmax. And basically just get some hash browns, get the day started. The plan is to possibly quickly nip into Halfords because I haven't got any. Oh great, my fuel warning's on. When is it ever not on? When I have ever got fuel? Like, what is fuel? Anyway, basically get to Halfords so I can get some drying towels because I've got 3. And they're all disgusting dirty now. They've been used for 3 or 4 months, so I need some new ones now. So I'm going to get them and then pop back home, quickly wash my car on the drive, and then go and get some cinematic shots and discuss what have I done to my car. It's lowered and it's widened, but I want to give you a quick review on what items, what brands, how much they were, and how well they work together towards the end of the video. Does anybody else hate when you're in a certain speed limit, right, and then people are driving like 5 or 10 miles less in the speed limit? Like, it's a 50 and they're doing 40. Like, am I wrong in thinking that that's just not right? Because, and another thing is, Saturday traffic is terrible. This dickhead here, right, pardon my French, he's in a 50 doing 30 in the fast lane. Sort it out, lads. Sort it out if you do that. Hello.
Wait a second, sorry.
No worries. "10 years later." Hi, could I have 3 hash browns, please, and a flat white?
A flat white, yeah, anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Can I check your order, please? Please.
Thank you, cheers. Right, so, you guys might be thinking, McDonald's breakfast, most of you like it. Why am I getting 3 hash browns? Well, for the past 3 months, I've been that sounds right, pescatarian. So I've cut out meat besides fish. Tried meatless completely, couldn't do it. Too expensive, had to have some meat like tuna in my daily lifestyle and some cod, so that's why I am thinking of going back meat. Not made my mind up yet. No, thank you, as it comes. Thank you so much, cheers. Just introduce the Pack Mentality hoodie. You got right on the side and the logo here. It's the first one that we've made, or that I've made. I've gone for quality over price, so I've chosen a 325 GSM thickness, so it's proper workwear thickness. It's very soft because I want it to last. They are going live in the next week. A bit of shameless self-promotion there. It's not really, I'm not doing it to make any money. It's more about seeing who actually buys into the concept across the UK, and I've had loads of people message me that it's a really good idea. I'm releasing t-shirts, caps, beanies, lanyards and joggers eventually as well. Every sort of month there'll be another item, so it's all getting prepped for sort of this year for when we go to Ford Fair and get our stand for Pack Mentality stand and all that sort of stuff as well. But this is the first one. If you want one, just DM me on Instagram, st_Jazeki. Alternatively, you can also DM officialpackmentalityuk. Which is the actual page for the group, and what we've got is, so far we've got stickers and of the Wolf logos like this, and the sunstrip stickers, so Pack Mentality wording sticker, Wolf and Wolf, which you can put on your sunstrip or however you want to do it. Not selling the sunstrip itself because every car's got different sizing for sunstrip, so I'm not faffing about with that, and so it'll be up to you guys to get that. But the prices and all that sort of stuff are getting figured out in the next week or so. So if you want anything like that, just DM me. I will be posting on official Pack Mentality UK and my private st_Jazeki Instagram page regularly with updates of when the new like t-shirts are out and all that sort of stuff. So bit of self promotion there. Thought I might as well throw it in to you guys, and hope you're having a good day. Now let's get on over to wash my car once I've had my flat white. Seriously, I can't live without these. And then go over to Wakefield, to a nice location where I think I could take some nice cinematic clips off the car and discuss exactly what lowering springs and wheel spaces I've got on my car. So just look at this. She definitely needs a clean. Okay, look at the alloys. Oh my god. Right, and she needs coolant top up and some wash fluid because she's been a little bit neglected this past month. And I've got my trusty Gloss Kings here to sort me out with the clean. So let's get started. Right guys, so these are the items that I purchased. Firstly, we've got the ST 20mm lowering springs. They are from KW Motorsports in Germany. And then we have the SD Black Series 20mm wheel spacers, which are Hubcentric and fully forged aluminium. They are a direct fit onto the car, so you don't have to cut any bolts down or anything like that. They just slide straight on. So it's made for the car itself. With the actual springs and the 20mm wheel spacers, there is no issues with clearance. It fits perfectly fine. You could probably get away with a 25mm drop rather than a 20. Anyway, going into the springs, I chose yellow because it's not like you see them, but when you get the car up on ramp, it looks nice. But it just goes nicely with the car. I love how it's been packaged. Very nice, you know, very neat and tidy. The actual instruction booklet inside this little manual or handout that you get with these leaflets is in German, but you do have English equivalent on the other side as well. It does have your warranty on there as well. On top of that, it also includes the actual fitment instructions of your car should you want to get other parts to fit onto the springs and go full coilover set. But yeah, the packaging looks very nice, professional, very neat and tidy. I was quite happy when they arrived because it looks nice, it's well packaged. So kudos to KW/ST Motorsports. I've cleaned the car. I can cue the little cinematic video that I've made. Subscribe, that'd be absolutely amazing. And hope you enjoy the video. Take care.
Yeah. I wake up every morning with my head up in a daze. I'm not sure if I should say this, fuck, I'll say it anyway. Everybody tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. I don't know if it's a phase, I just wanna feel okay, yeah. I battle with depression, but the question still remains. Is this post-traumatic stressing or am I suppressing rage? And my doctor tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. Yeah, it's not a fucking phase, I just wanna feel okay. Okay, yeah, I struggle with this bullshit every day. And it's probably cause my demons simultaneously rage. It obliterates me, the strength so grates me, annihilates me. I'm about to break down, searching for a way out. I'm a liar, I'm a cheater, I'm a non-believer. I'm a popular monster. Break down, falling into love, now we're falling apart. I'm a popular monster. I think I'm going nowhere like a rat trapped in a maze. Every wall that I knock down is just a wall that I replace. I'm in a race against myself, I try to keep a steady pace. How the fuck will I escape if I never close my case? Oh my god, I keep on stressing. Every second that I waste is another second sooner to a blessing I won't take. But my therapist will tell me that I'm going through a stage.